Alright, so this is instructions on how to make a multi-view drawing using Onshape for your puzzle cube. Okay, I've got these same three pieces down here. To do one, I click on the plus sign down here at the bottom, and I want to create a drawing, create drawing. When I click that, this pops up. Select the ANSI A inch. You want A and you want inches. A and C are different size sheets. C is really big and parts of it have to get scaled. A, everything fits very nicely. So I pick that, I click OK. No views at the bottom. Wait for it. And there is your drawing. So now what'll come up is this, and I select, if you've got your pieces at the bottom, it's really easy. You select your pieces and it'll actually show you what they are. Click on one so I can see it. I'm going to do this one just because it allows me to show hidden lines. So I click that one. You start in the bottom left. So you always make your first one here. Click, left click, and there it is. Now when I come straight up, that'll create my next view, my top view. I click that once. Okay? Now I've still got, you can see the shape of this. So I click on my front view again. And now I come over here to get my right view. And I click. Okay? So that's all of those. We're going to do the isometric separately. In fact, we can do it right now. I come up here and click on Insert View. Insert View. Click this drop down. Isometric. And that will go right here. Like that. Okay? Now, a few cleanup things here. I right click on my isometric, show shaded view. That'll give it colored. Okay? I right click in here. It doesn't show it there, but it does over here. You need to right click and make sure that you get show hidden lines. When I click it here, it does it over there. Not sure why, but then make sure you've done that for every part to make sure, like this one up here also has a hidden line. Okay, realistically, this should be the front view because it has no hidden lines, but that's okay. That's a pretty decent view of it. Okay, so the drawing is done, and now you just need to do this. You need to do dimensions. Now later on, we'll have a more detailed thing on how to dimension. The main point is dimensions stay inside of this area here. So you don't want dimensions outside. You want your dimensions in here, just your basic dimensions. So what I'm going to do, I can click this line, and I can come out a little ways here. There's my 0.75. I can click this top line, click the bottom line, come out here, and put this kind of towards the middle like that. All right. I can click this line and come out here. Top line, bottom line. Now, it'll do different things here. Like, it may start looking like that. You don't want that. You want to be in the middle. So you want the arrows going out like this. So do whatever you need to do to get that. I need this one here. And I think that's pretty much it. Let's see. I've got, you remember the length, width, and depth? Okay. Well, this is going in the one direction. This is like height. This would be my depth. This would be my width. And so that'll work. Sometimes you don't need any over here. Don't dimension to hidden lines, but basically that's all I'm looking at. Nothing fancy, but I need to at least see these three dimensions. If I only see those three, I'm okay with that right now. The overall depth, the overall width, and the overall height. You can do just those three dimensions, and that'd be it. So this would be done. This is all you need. Now you can come down in here. This is what I would like to see also, because that way when I'll know it's yours. Wait, I have to hit escape to get out of dimensioning. Okay? So down here, if I click down here, you can type in your name. Got to double click. And that'll work. Check that. I can double click down here. Basically, I'm looking for two things here. The name of the piece, L-U-E, and your name. Okay? Your name in the blue piece. You guys, you're doing it at home, so there's no period. You do have a period, but I'm not going to worry about it. Basically, that's all I need right there. And this would be done. And then you would, it's saved right here. And you'll end up, we'll talk about later about doing screenshots, but you'll do a screenshot of this into a PowerPoint slide. So you do that, do all 5 pieces, and you are good to go.